Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I bring you a new video from our AI series.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Stats and Facts. Today we are going to discuss the never talked before topic of ChatGPT, which is its billing process. I'm going to show you my approach and the formulas with an example, and I'll share these formulas with you in the video description. So let's get started. So we go to API reference in the OpenAI website, and in authentication under API keys. On the left hand side, you will see the billing item. Under billing, you have to go in the pricing. So here, if you see for the latest model, which is GPT-4, here they have explained how they bill the amount based on the number of tokens. So we are going to discuss about the 8K context. 8K context is nothing. It means the GPT-4 model works on the 8,000 tokens. So if in your prompt or the input you provide more than 8,000 tokens, it will not work. You have to go for 32K context in that case. 8K context works for the smaller number of input. That's what we are going to discuss today. So here you can see input and output. Input is what prompt or question you are asking to ChatGPT, and the output is what ChatGPT gives you back in the response. So input is dollar 0.03 for 1000 tokens, and output is dollar 0.06 for 1000 tokens. So we are going to understand what are these tokens, how does this work. So I have explained, or I have created my own little explanation here in my mini notepad. So if you go by the English language and on average, how many characters are there in a word? So you can just type it in Google and it will give you a response back like this. An English word has an on average has 3 to 8 characters, which again becomes an average of 5.5, or you can take it as 5.1 character. And then based on this, we can calculate the characters. So here we are on the notepad. Here I want to show you how I have calculated this token amount. So we start with the word. So on average, a word has 3 to 8 character, which makes it 5.5 or 5.1 char. So if 1000 tokens equals to 750 words, so in one token we can get 3 by 4. Like, so if you have a word, then 3 by 4th of that word is equals to one token. And how can we calculate the characters in the 3 by 4 word? That will be 3 by 4 into 5.5. So it means if one word is 5.5 character, then 3 by 4th is 3 by 4 into 5.5, which makes it 4.125. And then we can round it off to 4 chars in English. So we come to the conclusion that one token equals to 4 chars in English high level. Next, we come to the token amount, that is 1000 token equals to dollar 0.03. So one token you can calculate, it will be this amount. And for the output, it is dollar 0.06 for 1000 tokens. So for one token, it will be like this. We calculate it. And next, I wanted to show you the high level number of tokens required for a sentence paragraph. So one to two sentence on average, if it has 15 words, then it will be 30 tokens. And one paragraph, if on average it has 100 words, will be 100 tokens. So 1500 words will be equivalent to 2000 tokens. So it is not a short thing that you'll have these many tokens for these many words. always it will be up and down, but on average you can assume it that it will cost you this much based on this number of tokens. So here on the screen you can see an Excel sheet which is calculating this token amount for input and output. This is an example I have lined out for you guys, involving questions about the stock exchange. If your company is dealing with anything related to stocks and trades, then it might be helpful for you, or any other company. It's just the example to show you the token amount. If you ask any questions to ChatGPT, what can you expect? Like, uh, what can you expect in the billing amount? So, first, we have questions here in this column B, and this is the tokenizer amount input, what you pay for the input questions you're asking to ChatGPT. Then, this is the output we expect from the ChatGPT, and for the output, what OpenAI or ChatGPT will ask you to pay for the output tokenizer amount. And this is the input and output amount which we get from their billing website, and which we calculated here on the notepad for single uh, token, what will be the amount. So they have given us for 1,000 tokens. So from that we calculated the amount for one token, input and output. So for the first question, how we are calculating the input amount. So the formula is, first we are substituting everything, space, brackets, question mark. You can customize it more to substitute any kind of alphanumeric character or special characters. So it should read only the words. So first we are substituting everything, the space, commas and everything. And then we are getting length, len here, the length of all the characters, or you can say the string. So it will give us the length of the complete text or string here. So we will get the total number of characters. And then we divide that by 4, because in the notepad we saw that one word can have 4 characters on average. So we got the amount for one word. So in the formula, we calculate the total number of characters in the input string, and then we divide it by 4, because 4 characters equals to one token. So the total number of characters will be number of characters divided by 4. That will give us the number of tokens. And then one token equals to column F. So that's why we multiply here with column F. And $2 will give us the dollar amount or the dollar sign. That's how we calculate the input. And the same way we calculate the output. We substitute all the special characters and then divide it by 4 and multiply it with the output amount. So you get the token amount. So here, if you're asking ChatGPT these 3 questions, okay, these are 4. So you can expect to pay 0.00096575. So that's very less amount. And for the output, you can expect to pay 0.06474. So this is how you calculate the token amount and number of tokens in your input and output. And before we end this video, let me show you, for Python folks who knows Python very well, they can use ChatGPT's tick token API. The link is here. You can find it in docs under GPT, managing tokens, tick token. This will provide you the code for the tick token API. So if you're building a large ChatGPT project and you will have multiple or huge number of inputs, so and to calculate token, this will be the faster way for you to use this tick token API. Okay, that's it for me for this video. See you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Next in the video, I want to show you how you can calculate these tokens using API. So ChatGPT's own API is called Tick Token. The code is available in GitHub. So anyone who knows Python, they can use this API to calculate the token amount. So if your enterprise is using ChatGPT on a larger scale and you have huge database of inputs, so this API will help you to calculate the token and the amount very quickly. So that's it for this video from my side. See you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel if you want to know the recent updates in the field of data science and AI. And if you have any queries related to this, please contact us at the email and contact number mentioned in the description below.